The armed forces of Russia and Ukraine reported some updates from the front-line conflict. The gunfight continued in some places June 7th. In Krasny Liman direction, the attacks, launched by operational tactical and army aviation, artillery, and heavy flamethrower systems of the Tsentr Group of Forces, have resulted in the neutralisation of the AFU units close to Ploshanka, Karmazinovka, Chervonaya Dibrova, Kuzmino, Lugansk People's Republic, and Yampolovka, Donetsk People's Republic. The activities of two Ukrainian sabotage and reconnaissance groups have been disrupted in Serebryansky forestry area, said Igor Konashenkov, the Russian Federation Defense Ministry spokesman. The enemy losses were over 70 Ukrainian servicemen, 2 infantry fighting vehicles, 5 motor vehicles, 1 Gvozdika self-propelled artillery system and 1 D-20 howitzer. In Kherson direction, the enemy losses were up to 60 Ukrainian servicemen, 5 armoured fighting vehicles, 2 pickup trucks, 1 US-manufactured M777 artillery system, 1 Gvozdika self-propelled artillery system, and 1 Msta-B howitzer. Lieutenant General Igor Konashenkov, the Russian Federation Defense Ministry spokesman, said in total the armed forces of Ukraine lost 438 fighter jets, 238 helicopters, 4,527 unmanned aerial vehicles, 424 air defense missile systems, 9,643 tanks and other armored fighting vehicles. Also 1,119 fighting vehicles equipped with MLRS, 5,034 field artillery cannons and mortars, as well as 10,771 special military motor vehicles have been destroyed during the special military operation. The other side from Kyiv, the armed forces of Ukraine in an official statement June 7 said Russia lost 880 servicemen within a single day, including 1 Su-24 fighter jet, 13 tanks, 17 armored fighting vehicles as well as 37 artillery system units and 7 drones. In total, Moscow lost 212,030 servicemen since launching full-scale aggression into Ukraine territories. President of Ukraine Volodymyr Zelensky asked for more help from international organizations, such as the International Committee of the Red Cross, to immediately join the rescue operation and help people in the occupied part of Kherson region. Now we need a clear and quick response from the world to what is happening. It is even impossible to establish for sure how many people in the temporarily occupied territory of Kherson region may die without rescue, without drinking water, without food, without medical care, Zelensky said. Ukraine State Emergency Service said water level in Kherson has risen by 5.5 meters. The water level in Kherson has already reached 5.51 meters, Ukrinform reported, citing the State Emergency Service. The city was partially flooded after the destruction of the Kakhovka Dam. Russia and Ukraine conflict has been lasting for 470 days. There is still no peace settlement between two sides.
Terima kasih sudah nonton. Jangan lupa like, subscribe, dan share ya!